Have you ever looked in the mirror and wished your arms were just a little more toned and defined? You're not alone. Whether you're aiming for sculpted shoulders, firm triceps, or strong biceps, the right exercises can completely transform the look and strength of your arms. In today's video, we're diving into a simple yet powerful workout routine that targets every major muscle group in your arms. You don't need fancy equipment or hours at the gym, just a few consistent moves that actually work. We'll break down each exercise step by step so you can follow along easily and start seeing results faster than you think. Plus, I'll share some bonus tips to maximize your toning results and keep your arms looking sleek and strong all year round. Ready to get started? Grab your mat, a pair of light dumbbells, and let's jump right into it. Let's kick things off with one of the most classic and powerful moves, the bicep curl. Bicep curls are a classic arm exercise, and for good reason. They directly target your biceps, the muscles at the front of your upper arms. To perform a bicep curl, stand up straight with a dumbbell in each hand. Keep your elbows close to your torso and your palms facing forward. Slowly curl the weights up towards your shoulders, squeezing your biceps at the top of the movement. Then, slowly lower the weights back to the starting position. Make sure you're not swinging your arms or using momentum. The slower and more controlled the movement, the better the results. Aim for 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. If you don't have dumbbells, no problem. You can easily grab some water bottles or any household items that add a little resistance. Now that we've worked the front of your arms, let's move on to toning the back of your arms with tricep dips. The triceps are located at the back of your arms, and toning this area will give your arms a sleek, strong look. Tricep dips are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises to target these muscles. To do a tricep dip, sit on the edge of a sturdy chair or bench. Place your hands next to your hips, fingers facing forward. Move your hips off the chair and lower your body by bending your elbows to about a 90-degree angle. Then press back up to the starting position. Keep your back close to the chair and your movements slow and controlled. Avoid locking your elbows at the top. Perform 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. If you want a bigger challenge, simply straighten your legs further out in front of you. After targeting the biceps and triceps, it's time to build strong shoulders with the overhead shoulder press. Strong shoulders not only make your arms look sculpted, but also support better posture. Start by holding a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height, with your palms facing forward. Press the weights upward until your arms are fully extended overhead. Then slowly lower them back down to the starting position. Remember to keep your core tight and avoid arching your back. It's better to use lighter weights with perfect form than heavier weights that make you lose control. Aim for 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. This exercise will really give your arms that beautiful rounded shape. Now, let's switch things up a bit with hammer curls, a fun twist on the regular bicep curl. Hammer curls are a variation of the bicep curl, but with a slight change in wrist positioning. This move targets not just your biceps, but also your forearms, helping your arms look more complete and toned. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing your torso. Keep your elbows close to your body and curl the weights up as if you were hammering something. Slowly lower the weights back down. The key is to move slowly and with control. Avoid swinging your arms. Do 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. Plus, hammer curls also help improve your grip strength, which comes in handy for many other exercises and daily tasks. With our biceps and forearms activated, it's time to focus on the sides of the shoulders with lateral raises. If you want those nice rounded shoulders that give your arms an athletic and toned look, lateral raises are a must. Hold a light dumbbell in each hand, arms down by your sides. With a slight bend in your elbows, lift your arms out to the sides until they are at shoulder height. Pause for a moment at the top, then slowly lower them back down. It's important to use light weights for this exercise to avoid straining your shoulders. Focus on form and control rather than rushing through the movement. Complete 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets, and you'll soon notice a beautiful change in your shoulder definition. After lateral raises, let's go back to the triceps with another powerful move, triceps kickbacks. Another great exercise for toning the back of your arms is the tricep kickback. Hold a dumbbell in each hand. Bend your knees slightly and hinge forward at your hips, keeping your back straight. Keep your elbows close to your body and extend your arms straight back, squeezing your triceps at the top. Slowly bring the weights back to the starting position. It's important to keep your upper arms still. Only your forearms should move during the exercise. Try doing 12 to 15 reps, repeating for 3 sets. This small but mighty movement can truly transform the look of your arms when done consistently. Next up, we're adding another powerful shoulder-focused move into the mix: front raises. Front raises are an excellent exercise for targeting your shoulders, and they also engage your upper chest and core muscles for extra benefit. To perform a front raise, stand tall with a dumbbell in each hand, your palms facing your thighs. Keeping a slight bend in your elbows, lift one or both arms straight in front of you until they reach shoulder height. Pause briefly at the top, then slowly lower the weights back down to the starting position. The key to getting the most out of this move is control. Avoid using momentum or swinging your body. It's much more effective to use lighter weights and maintain perfect form than to struggle with heavier weights. Aim for 12 to 15 reps for 3 sets. And remember, if lifting both arms at once feels too challenging, simply alternate arms one at a time to build strength safely and steadily. Now that your arms are feeling strong, let's finish with a full upper body move: push-ups. Push-ups are an incredible exercise that work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once. They are excellent for building overall arm definition. Start in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor, then push yourself back up. If you're just starting out, you can modify the move by dropping your knees to the ground. Do as many push-ups as you can with good form. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat for 3 sets. Over time, you'll be amazed at how much stronger and more toned your arms will become. Now that you know the exercises, let's talk about how to get the best results. First, consistency is key. Try to perform these exercises 2 to 3 times per week. Regular stimulation is essential if you want to see real change. Second, remember progressive overload. As you grow stronger, gradually increase the weight you use or add more repetitions. This keeps challenging your muscles and promoting growth. Third, always focus on form. Quality beats quantity every time. It's much better to do fewer reps with perfect form than to rush through many reps incorrectly. Also, stay hydrated. Drinking water helps flush out toxins and keeps your muscles functioning well during and after your workouts. Don't forget about healthy eating. Exercise alone won't tone your arms. A balanced diet rich in protein, healthy fats, and lots of vegetables will help your muscles recover and grow stronger. Finally, rest and recovery are crucial. Muscles grow when you rest, not when you work out. Make sure you're giving yourself a day or two between arm sessions to allow your muscles to rebuild. Toning your arms doesn't have to be complicated. With the right exercises, a little patience, and steady effort, you can build strong, beautiful arms right at home. Everyone's journey is different. Some will see results quickly, while others might take a bit longer. The key is to stay patient, stay committed, and celebrate every bit of progress you make. Now that you have a full set of arm toning exercises, it's time to put them into action. Set a goal, stay motivated, and remember, you're stronger than you think. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new workout. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.